Howdy folks, we're out here at the Okra today. Got us a few to pick today. Every day we're getting probably 4, 5, 6 at least. And we'll go ahead and pick us some. Now, a lot of times you can just take this okra and it'll pop right off. Real easy. But I always got me a set of shears because I like to prune mine as I pick them. When I pick one off of that stalk, I'll trim that in back. And that's letting the plant know, all right, we're done with that one. You need to focus on making me some more okra. But every time I pick one, I cut that branch off that pod's on. Not sure how you do it, but that's kind of how I was taught to do it, and that's how I've been doing it. This okra, it loves the heat. But it still needs some of that liquid sunshine. Fortunately, as we're hopefully coming out of this drought that we've been in, things are going to stay not quite as dry. It's still going to be hot, and we're just now starting into the month of August, so we got another hot month left. But with this black gold that we plant in, it retains moisture so well. Such a great benefit of growing in that. I believe that's all the ones we're going to get for today. Thanks again for tuning in to Malachy Creek Farm as we're out here picking our okra today. And just look at these flowers, folks. Now, for those of you, I'm sure most everybody's planted okra around here, but if you're just joining in and looking at doing some gardening, okra has one of the most beautiful flowers of all the vegetables that we grow. You can see there, when they bloom, they're really pretty. That off-white yellowish tint with that crimson red center. Really pretty flowers. All right, folks, thanks again for joining us today, and we'll see you next time. Y'all take care.